Hi guys, it's Watson Bear channel coming to you from Watson's house. What's your name?
Watson.
Watson what?
Watson Bear.
It's Watson Bear. And today, special edition show is all about Watson's top 10 Monster Jam trucks. After the Monster Jam trucks are revealed, he's going to do Mudder's demonstration on how to unmud the Mudder's monster trucks. Deal? Handshake? Handshake? This in this box is Watson's number 10 favorite monster truck of all time. Are you guys ready? Here you go. Watson opens up the box and it's Backwards Bob. How does Backwards Bob go?
Backwards.
He drives backwards. That's why his name is Backwards Bob. What else do you like about him?
Can do backwards. Then he do donuts. Then do this.
What? That's unreal. Do it again. One more time. What? Okay. We're ready off to the next one. This is truck number 9, Watson's favorite Monster Jam truck.
It's Avenger.
It's Avenger. We're going to see him. He's going to be in Edmonton at a special show. He knows how to flip too. Look at the green under. It's beautiful. One of the nicest trucks. We'll have all the close-ups to Watson's favorite top 10. We ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. This is truck number 8 on Watson's favorite top 10 monster truck. Number 8 is
Zombie Rottweiler.
Zombie Rottweiler.
Let's see him can do it.
Oh,
One more time. Him.
what a cool truck. We are gearing up for the World Finals in California on May 18th, right?
Yeah.
Who are you most excited to see at the World Finals?
Mom, look at this one.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Who are you most excited to see at the World Finals?
With the go.
Gravedigger? We always see Gravedigger every time we go. You're not excited to see the zombie?
No.
Okay, he's not.
And I'm gonna fucking down.
Okay, number 7 on the top 10 monster trucks that Watson adores. Number 7 is...
Kraken.
It's Kraken! Nice jump. What do you like about this truck?
Cause it's do backwards.
Okay.
House goes.
This is our first World Finals here in California. What's it? How many nights are you going to stay in California? That's right. He's going to stay 4 nights in California. This is truck number 6. Watson. Okay, truck number 6 is... I don't even know this truck. What's this truck?
Captain.
Cars.
Curse.
Captain Curse is number 6 on Watson's list. Show them a backflip, please. Whoa. Whoa! That is so cool. Now we're in the top 5. Top 5. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for your own top 5? Okay, he's ready.
Max D. Fire.
Max D. Fire is his top 5 truck.
Mom, what?
We haven't seen him live yet. Let's see actually if we're going to see him in Edmonton.
That is Max
Yeah.
D.
We're going to the Edmonton show, to the Stadium Championships Series East, and Max D is on the list. Just like Lucas Stabilizer, Gravedigger, Megalodon, Mohawk Warrior we haven't seen.
And Wax.
Okay. Number 4 on the list is...
Lucas Stabilizer. Mom, I want to see him on.
Yeah, Lucas Stabilizer will be in Edmonton. Where is he?
Wait.
Well, Lindsay is driving it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Lucas is number 4 for Watson.
Mom.
Yeah. And Lucas fell off the table.
He done talking.
Okay.
Mommy, there are only 2 mine, too.
This is truck number 3. Who is it? And why do we love it?
Rido.
It's Fuel Academy.
And he made a name called Rido.
Okay. Do we like him?
Yeah.
He's a beautiful school, but oh my gosh, he did a backflip.
He did.
Okay. Okay. Number 2 on the list is...
It's Son-uva.
Son of a Digger. Make sure you do a backflip for everyone.
One more time. Hey, I'm gonna do this.
And you guys are going to be so surprised with Watson's pick for his favorite truck of all time. Top 10 is... Grave Digger. Does beautiful flips. Before we open up our mutter, can Mom do her top 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm not going to sit with you.
Okay.
I'm going to grab.
Okay, so now that Watson did his top 10 Monster Jam trucks, it's time for Mom's top 10 Monster Jam trucks.
Mom, you have said how many is mine?
You had 10 and Mom has 10.
Yep.
This is the 10th favorite truck that Mom has.
Open it up.
And I opened the first box and it's Grave Digger. Okay? Beautiful. Always gets my heart going every time I see Grave Digger live at the stadiums. And now at the World Finals, it's going to be even more exciting. Truck number 9 for Mom is Son of a Digger Ice. Okay, truck number 8 on Mom's top 10 list is Earthshaker. Okay, so number 7 on Mom's list is Megalodon. Look how beautiful he is. Okay. Number 6 on Mom's top 10 best Monster Jam is Backwards Bob. Number 5 is Dragon. Okay, so top 4 trucks for Mom's top 10 Monster Jam truck is her favorite of all time, El Toro Loco. Okay, so we are at the top 3 trucks. Here it is. Rottweiler Monster Mutt. Top 2 in the box is Zombie. The number 1 truck for the top 10 Monster Jam truck for Mom is brand new this year, 2024 Sparkle Smash truck. Because Watson likes to add more trucks to his collection. He is going to do a demonstration of how to clean off the mother truck. Which truck did you choose?
Son-uva digger.
Son-uva digger. Okay, so it looks like this. The back side looks like this. We don't know what you get because it's covered in mud. That's why they're called mudders. I'll just open it up like this for you. I am coming out of the frame. Enjoy.
Cannot Mom, I need some more.
Okay, do it in, dump it in a little bit more there. It looks like it's a purple one, Waddy. I'm gonna get you some more clean water, okay? Okay, are you enjoying this?
Yeah.
What do you like what do you like about these mudders?
Cast them somewhere the mud and mud come off way quick.
Okay. Should we read what the number is so everybody knows? Okay. Okay, so it's Son-uva digger, so it's SD1-11. Nice purple one.
Mom, I got you and I found that sand digger one for you.
Yeah. And now, sit down, Waddy. because Watson is my best friend. I got him another monster truck. Which one is it?
A Whiplash blue.
Whiplash Blue.
It's time to open it.
Oh, sorry.
Mom, it's time to open it.
Let's go. Here, I'll help you. Here we go. And then show everyone the brand new truck that you got.
Here is it.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is Whiplash. This is Watson Bear. And this is Watson's mom. Bye-bye.